Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize photo on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply, at first open your photo apps and select any photo that you want to resize. Like I'm select this image, click on the pen option, then you get more edit feature. If you want to resize, click on to crop, easily crop. Okay, if you want to rotate, okay, change frame size, okay, flip, or horizontal, overall setup, and press on set. And that's it.